Right guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to screen record on your iPhone with the sound from your iPhone and external sound from the microphone on your iPhone. Okay, so many people know how to screen record on an iPhone, but not many people know how to screen record with the sound on. So first of all, we'll show you how to add the screen recording to your iPhone and how to actually start screen recording. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to scroll down the control center, and then what you want to do is to press and hold on any clear point of your screen on the control center, and then press the add a control. Okay, now you want to find the screen recording function. You tap on it once and then it will be added to your control center, but it is already on my control center right here, even two of those versions. Okay, so to start the screen recording, you want to tap on it once, and then the countdown begins 3 2 1, and then the screen recording begins. And right now it is recording my screen, everything I do on my screen. Okay, I don't need it right now. Right, so how to record it with the sound on? What you want to do is you want to press and hold on this screen recording tab, and you want to switch the microphone on. Okay, like that. When it turns red, it means that the screen recording will also allow you to record the audio from your microphone. And then if it's off, it means that your microphone will not be heard on the screen recording. And the sound from your iPhone is always turned on by default. It's always turned on. Everything that is going on your iPhone, inside of your iPhone, in applications or some notification sounds, they will be heard in the video itself always. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.